Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Judy Magaway Macaraeg, 28 years of age. I live in Esperanza, Angadalan, Isabela. I'm the youngest child of the family. I graduated at Isabela State University, Angadalan campus, and I took a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. And also, I passed the licensed professional teacher year 2022. I'm already married and I have one child. She is 7 years of age.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for almost 2 years, 2014 to 2016. I served 5 members in the family, 1 couple, and 3 kids. Ages, 8 years old, 5 years old, and a newborn baby. My duties is taking care of the kids going to school, laundry, taking care of the dog, and also shopping. And also I have work experience as a teacher in semi-private school in a different grades and in different subjects.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm securing the safety of the baby. When the baby is sick, I'm called the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am working, trustworthy, and a responsible mom.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to earn money for my family needs and also save the money for my daughter's future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother's take care of my child, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and I remind myself I need job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Usually, I sleep around 10 p.m. if my work is done and I wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calmer with dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off?
Yes,
to be
sir.
paid instead by your employer? Okay. When you visited the parents, relatives and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to extend if needed, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing an nursery song?
Yes, sir. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and nose and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm a hardworking person, trustworthy, and kind of person. Thank you.